Hello, I am Professor Malwila Dissanayake from Executive Director of Art Consulting, Canada. And I came here on the invitation of BIMT Campus to deliver a one-day workshop on sustainability, climate change, and environmental monitoring. We integrated all these three aspects into everyday life, and I taught the students how to actual modeling activities and actual quality control, quality assurance, and how to integrate these three aspects into their lives, practical work as well. So I was very happy. There were representatives from government sector, NGOs, community groups, and the private sector, and also regulatory agencies in the audience. And all of them got a lot of insights into their pollution quality modeling, water quality index calculations, and all the different calculations. And I think they thoroughly enjoyed the session, and I should congratulate BIMT Campus for organizing this and doing a great job. Thank you.
I'm Senior Professor Hemanthi Ranasinghe from the Department of Forestry and Environmental Science of the University of Sri Jawadanpura. By launching their CSR project EcoPromise, where they had pledged that 1 million trees will be planted in all the provinces, that is the entire country, in the near future, which is really a dire requirement to meet our commitments towards climate change mitigation.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the management and the organizing team of the BIMT campus to organize this kind of wonderful event. That event is very successful and it's very useful for us. So we learned a lot today. We have learned calculation of the GHG emission and life cycle calculations. So once again, I thanks a lot, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank my office top management to accept my request and giving this opportunity. And also thanks to GFNI management. And once again, thank you for BIMT team. Thanks.
So I'm really grateful and thankful for this opportunity. I had to participate sustainability and environmental impact workshop at BIMT campus. It was very useful for us as a industry involved people, and especially I want to thank Professor Malwila and Professor Hemanthi for giving a very valuable training and share their expertism and their knowledge with us. I believe this is a very good initiative, and we need this in Sri Lanka. So thank you for BIMT campus to organizing and initiating these kind of workshops. And we believe you will organize more valuable workshop in future as well. Good luck, everybody. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ramesh. I actually had a privilege of attending today's workshop on sustainability, climate change, and environmental monitoring. Actually, I learned a lot today's workshop, and also I can show for sure I can apply whatever I learned from today's workshop to my personal day-to-day life. I actually wanted to thank BIMT Campus for today's session and organizing such a wonderful event. Thank you.